Hey guys, another video, and this time food review kiwis. Kiwi. Alright, someone told me to do kiwi food review, so yeah, and this stuff on my head is kiwi stickers. And I have another one, swimming. Alright, look, kiwis. Alright, I'm gonna try it. Mm. Mm. Presto. Mm. Alright. Alright. The last one. Mm. 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 It's hella good. Mm. I'm done. Alright. Want to see more food review videos? You guys can tell me in the comment section.